Starting our bulgur, so we're starting with less than a cup of oil. To that we're adding our chopped onions. So we have less than a cup of oil and we've added our chopped onions to saute for our bulgur. After your onions have been sauteing for a few minutes, add your chopped red and green bell peppers. You're adding your chopped tomatoes to the sauteed onions and the red and green bell peppers. You want to hear the sizzle. We're adding tomato paste, and it's about 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. And then stir it well into your mixture. So we're adding half a stick of butter to the tomato and pepper mixture.
Evet, o bardak var ya, o bardakla dolduralım. Onu ver bana, doldur.
Okay, add your bulgur. And we're making a large portion, so we've got about 2 cups of bulgur.
Yarısı oldu mu? Bak bakalım. Sanki oldu. Tamam. Su yeter değil mi? Son kararımız. Sıcak su var mı? Hemen sıcak suyu.
Now we're adding water.
Tuz ekliyoruz. Koysun. Birazcık daha kaldırın. 1 tablespoon.
Adding the water, add 2 teaspoons of salt, and the ratio of bulgur to water is 1 bulgur to 1.5 cups of water. That's a very important ratio. And in this case, we did not pre-wash the bulgur. Bulgur comes to the boil, then you're going to put a cover on and leave it covered while it cooks. After it comes to a boil, you're going to cover the bulgur and you're going to lower the heat and cook it for approximately 15 minutes or until the water is absorbed. And our bulgur is just about ready. You can see there's still a little bit of liquid. We've turned off the heat on the stove and we're covering it, and we're just going to let it sit a little longer until all the liquid is absorbed. We're going to take another look at our bulgur, and you can see the liquid has disappeared, so it's ready.